I've been driving myself bananas trying to figure out why I'm getting a misfire. Nothing seems to change it much. Been avoiding doing a compression test because I just don't want to have to deal with that if that is the problem. So that would be not good. Pulling the engine back out. Could do a fuel pressure test, just put the new fuel pump in, so I don't feel like that's probably it. There's one other thing that I want to try. There is a broken ground strap on the passenger side from the frame to the engine. I noticed that a long time ago. I just never really thought about it until today. I thought, maybe it's a ground issue. God, I hope so. If not, then I'm going to do a compression test and just pray that I've got okay compression. Alright, so there is my broken ground strap that should go right over to here. So I just got some number, I think 6 or 8 gauge bare copper. I'm gonna use that. Okay, let's give her a shot. Better. I like it. Check engine light. Yeah, it's still back to the same old, same old. Same thing. Let's see what the second one is. Same thing. For good measure, I just went ahead and did the ground on this side also. I don't know. I'm running out of things to do before I do a compression test. I have avoided it as long as I can, so it is compression test time. I've already pulled the fuse for the fuel pump, started it, let it run out of gas, pulled the battery, pulled the spark plug. So put the compression test kit on there, put the battery back in, crank it over without any fuel, see what we get.